Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to get the Christmas Doughnut in Secret Staycation. First, you'll need to access the Secret Staycation game during the festive season. Once inside, navigate to the special Christmas event area. This area is usually clearly marked on your map or through a prominent in-game announcement. Understanding the event's duration and specific requirements is crucial for a smooth experience. Make sure to check the event timer. To earn your festive treat, you'll typically need to complete a series of minigames or quests within the event area. These tasks might involve collecting unique event-specific items, such as shimmering candy canes or delicate snowflakes. You'll need to gather a certain quantity of these items, perhaps several dozen, before you can proceed to the next step. Focus on completing these objectives efficiently to speed up your progress. Once you've collected the necessary event items, your next step is to visit the special crafting station or a dedicated vendor within the Christmas event zone. Here, you will exchange your collected tokens for the coveted Christmas Doughnut. Ensure you have the exact number of items required, as sometimes even one missing piece can prevent the exchange. After a successful transaction, the delicious doughnut will be added directly to your in-game inventory for you to enjoy. For the best chance at success, participate in the event daily to maximize your item collection. Teaming up with a few friends can also significantly speed up task completion, as many quests allow for cooperative play. Always keep an eye on the in-game news and announcements for any bonus opportunities or limited-time offers that could help you acquire the doughnut even faster. Happy collecting, and enjoy your sweet reward.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.